Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, sorry for the early morning video. I figured why not, let's take advantage of the quiet while the little monsters are still asleep. Well, at least one of them. But today's one is kind of interesting for the channel. It's a first, and I'm going to explain why after we roll that intro. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for choosing this video. I know there's a crap load of options out there and I'm very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, what you're going to want to do is look down below. Okay, there's going to be a little channel watermark popping up. You're going to want to click on that subscribe. That way you're along for the rest of the ride and you don't have to worry about me popping up in your timeline. You're going to get me there. Alright. Now, what I was saying is this one is a first. But as you guys know, we're going to take a look at Grave Before Shave's Aphrodisiac Beard Oil. And this is why it's a first. This is a viewer request, which was kind of funny when they reached out on, my Facebook timeline and asked me about it. I was like, well, it's been sitting around for a while. I haven't shot it. It's on my to-do list. Well, now it's getting moved up. Alright, let me give you a little bit of background that I could find, and to be honest with you, this is one of the only things I truly hate about Grave Before Shave. There's really not a lot of about us info about this company. All I can tell you is you can find it at www.gravebeforeshave.com. They are made in the USA out of San Bernardino, California, and man, they are just killing it with certain stuff. With, the oils, the beard balms, the beard butter, the pomade, just the mustache waxes, I almost said pomade, sorry. And the swag that they're doing, it's just incredible. But I'm like, so who's your founder? When were you made? What inspired you to do things? That's something I really don't like about them, is they don't put a lot of that info on their web store. Now this one, I'll admit, when it came out, I really had to get it, first of all, because I did like the artwork. When I first started jumping into beard oil, I thought Grave Before Shave was like the pinnacle. And when they came out with this new scent, I went, I've got to get it. It's a leather cedarwood kind of scent. And it just, I wanted to like it so much more than I do. I'll be honest. Alright, for those of you familiar with my channel, freaking camera took a dump again. Like I was saying, it has a very, very unique smell to it with that leather cedarwood scent. I'll be honest, I smell a lot more of the cedar than I do the leather. And I'm going to do the mow the bearded shark routine here and see if that changes anything up. So let's give that a try. No, it's still more cedarwood. It has a very medium to low scent strength. I mean, when you first apply it, you can really smell it, but man, it dissipates quick. It truly does. Like I said, I wanted to like it a lot more than I do. I don't like this one by them. It really doesn't stay around that long. I've got a lot of woodsy type scents. So it's like, guys, I think they failed with this one. That's just me. Alright. Now let's get honest. You guys really don't care what color the frickin' oil is. But there it is, and it's a very, hopefully you can see that, it's really a lightweight kind of oil. It's not like a runny, greasy kind of thing, but it's not like a medium, got a good hold to it, does whatever. Now, as you saw, it does come in a 1 ounce amber bottle with the eyedropper top, which actually I prefer eyedropper tops over the restrictor tops. I have better success with these than I do with restrictors. I always feel like I'm about to launch the freaking beard oil across the room when I'm trying to apply it. Now, if you're curious about the ingredients, it's going to run you $12 on gravebeforeshave.com. And the ingredients are their usual blend of tea tree oil, pure apricot oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, aloe vera, and essential oils. It coats great. It really, truly does. And if you're unfamiliar with beard oil, basically what you do, it's got really 3 good uses for you, okay? You get whatever amount you need in your little eyedropper, kind of like that. Let me seal that up before I tip it and, make it run everywhere. get it into your hand and really rub it together. First of all, it really activates the scent profile, it warms up the oil, and basically you start rubbing it down into your skin. Beard oil is a vitamin supplement for your skin. Your body can only produce so many healthy oils to keep your hair growing natural, help it growing long, help it growing beautiful, help it, stay hydrated, help it just be incredible. So you got the vitamin supplement. Man, after you've rubbed it in, you comb it out. It's going to make your beard softer, it's going to make your beard more manageable, not to mention it's going to add that third bonus of giving you that bonus scent profile to your beard so you smell good. Because trust me, no one really wants to smell bad around your better half or sitting out there in public. I will say this about Grave Before Shave, they are not overpowering scents. So if you work in, say, like an office environment, you're not going to be sitting in your cube while somebody 12 rows down is going to be able to smell what you're wearing. I do like that an awful lot of it. I'm sorry. I see stuff going on outside the window, so I'm just taking a peek. I honestly think this is the first one I've been really disappointed with Grave Before Shave. Now, if you're curious about other ones that I've brought to the channel, take a look up top. You're going to see a card for every single skincare, beard care, hair care, whatever care, sitting right up there. I've brought a couple and I've filmed a couple more, so we're rolling those out. Because like I said, when I first started getting into beard oil, I bought a lot of them. But here's the most important, great. If you watch How I Met Your Mother, go ahead and take a drink. But here's the important part of the video for me. Okay, I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, everything down below in the comments section. I know these ones that I do about Grave Before Shave are really kind of short in their length, simply because I can't give you a lot of the about me info. And I mean, let's get serious. Every beard oil review is essentially the same thing. Here's how it feels in my beard, here's how it smells, and here's your carrier oils. That's every single guy who does beard oil reviews, or girl, because I know there's some ladies out there that use it for hair and shaving and whatnot. Yeah, for women, it's great, okay. Nice, gotta hit pause. Okay, sorry about that intrusion. I don't know if you guys saw it in the camera, I just had a big-ass moth flying by. And, well, the brat is kind of scared of anything that's bug-related, so I don't want her getting out of bed seeing that and exploding in a fit of rage. But as I was saying, that's pretty much it that I can give you on it, because I like giving the about me info parts, because it seems to add a different level to a company. But with Grave Before Shave, I just kind of can't do that. So we're going to get into this little wrap-up, because I feel this video is going on a little longer than it should, with me being a little rambly. I know, early morning, and, well, I need more caffeine, so forgive me, okay? But, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say, again, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully I earned more of your time with this one. If I didn't, thank you so much for the amount that you gave me today. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel who didn't subscribe at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have yet to do it, here's your second chance at redemption. Notice how we do that in twos? Look right down there. You're going to see a huge channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2, not 4, but 2, two, are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at, Grave Before Shave's Aphrodisiac blend. Sorry I couldn't tell you much other than don't like it, really didn't care for it, and I can't really give you much more on Grave Before Shave. But there we go. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great one today.